Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. This is Muhammad Bakri from Community of Babel. Today we are going to study the imperative, the commands in Egyptian Arabic. To form the imperative, the command in Egyptian Arabic, we have to conjugate the verb, for example, three-letter verb like katab in the present, so yaktib, and we remove the ye and we add a alif with kasra, so iktib. So yaktib, iktib. The feminine is iktibi, we add e to give a command to a woman, and then iktibu to a group of people. So iktibu. The alif is not pronounced, so sometimes people just delete it, they write iktibu with also, yet in Egyptian Arabic people are more relaxed. So اكتب, اكتبي, اكتبوا. مثلا اكتبوا الدرس. اكتبي الدرس, write lesson. اكتب الدرس. Another example is اكتب اسمك, write your name to a guy. اكتب اسمك. اكتبي اسمك. And اكتبوا اسمكم. اكتبوا اسمكم أو اسمكم. So it depends on the accent of the speaker. Both are acceptable. So, اكتبوا اسمكم أو اكتبوا اسمكم. Another example is the verb add, to sit down. Also this verb sometimes means to stay in a place. So add, يقعد. In the present tense, the second letter, the ain, has dhamma, like yu'ad, not yu'ad, so it's not yu'ad. So the alif in the imperative will be with dhamma also. So yu'ad, a'ad, a'ad. Of course, the qaf will be like but it will almost be silent in this verb, like a'ad, a'ad, sit down, a'adi, a'adi for a woman, and then for a group of people, a'adu. Another verb that's a longer verb is يستخدم. يستخدم, the verb to use. يستخدم, we replace the ya, يستخدم, in the present tense with a, alif with kasra. So استخدم. And the feminine is استخدمي, we add the e, and the plural is استخدموا. مثلا استخدموا التليفون, use the phone. استخدموا الإيميل, use the email. مثلا ممكن أقول I can say استخدم الإيميل بتاعك أو استخدمي الإيميل بتاعك. This is another way to make to express the possession. We will discuss this in another video. استخدم الإيميل بتاعك. الإيميل بتاعك, the email that belongs to you, your email. So استخدم الإيميل بتاعك أو استخدمي the feminine الإيميل بتاعك, your email. أو استخدموا الإيميلات, the emails, الإيميلات بتاعتكم. Another verb is اتعلم. The verbs like يتعلم with the same pattern, like اتعلم, اتكلم, يتكلم, to speak. So for example, اتكلم, اتكلم, اتكلمي, the feminine, اتكلموا. So اتكلموا بالعربي, speak Arabic. So اتكلموا بالعربي. Another example is اتعلموا أو اتعلمي أو اتعلم, the singular masculine, اتعلم. اتعلم صيني, for example, so learn Chinese. So اتعلم صيني أو اتعلموا صيني. So this is how we make the imperative in Egyptian Arabic. I hope it's easy and clear for you. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.